Welcome to PFTV. Ngiphethe uNengo. Nengo, it's a 3-0 win to Orlando Pirates. But unfortunately we lost ngama penalty ntanga. Igame yanamhlanje ubone kanjani?
Yo ntanga mina I tend to differ namafana ngizabhaya vandag but khona okunye enginako abanako. Mina ntanga I'm happy angazi yes siphumile ku CAF. Yiyo maybe into ebhlungu kimi ukuthi we wanted to win and move to another round. But ntanga like we played so well. Coach AP I told you ukuthi uzokusurprise. I didn't see ukuthi ngeke kube ne striker today but there was no striker. But what I loved about the chance ukuthi masibona makuqala igame mesiloko shaya. Masoshaya we saw ukuthi we wasting a lot of balls. Mase siqala ukudlala if you can check that's when we got the goals. Igoal la kaMasindi livele ngokuthi sesiyakhona ukudlala sesiyakhona ukutholana uyangithola. Overall le game leli ntanga we bossed this game from minute 1 to minute 90 but into engifrustrateayo referees adlalanga isikhathi enough mfethu. Labantu laba they were wasting a lot of time but referee like couldn't see that was a penalty too. Yeah. So that's how I saw the game. But overall, I'm happy. Ntanga ukuthi nje aswinanga. That's what is making me down. But I'm happy.
Masivula i-riding. Matsithi sishekile napho we saw ukuthi coach didn't have a striker namhlanje. We played ngowapolisi lapha phambili. What do you think of that approach ntanga? Would you have liked to see uSkomota or ucabanga ukuthi the coach is spot on?
Mina ntanga first thing first. When I saw the lineup, ngithi we don't have a striker. Then I said fine because I always tell you Coach AP is going to confuse you because of the qualities now. Na yamtawa and he's the one Ochima nama boys and I think kudos. I mean I'm ngizosifaka strike but like the way he played I think it was a good one because those guys they were playing a low block and if you can notice thina ngama crosses khona ukukora kakhulu but what surprised me ukuthi uMbuthuma makengena we scored with crosses. You understand? Maybe if ufaka uMbuthuma we could have mesokhuluma story is different but like ngendlela aqale ngayo mina I do not see a problem but kudos to the coach ngendlela approach ngayo game we shown ukuthi we are here to win that.
And then during the game in you kept on saying ukuthi Mbokazi is not fine, Mbokazi is injured, maybe he doesn't want to play. What did you see in Ntanga?
I was not saying it doesn't want to play, but like Ntanga, I saw something. That's not the Mbokazi I know. Maybe mengihleli phambi kwakho. Maybe ngisho kayi-10. Especially second half, I saw Mbokazi second half. I saw him not fine, Ntanga. Like the way agijima ngakhona, Mbokazi makuyi 1v1, the way alandi player ngakhona. But today I thought maybe he's fatigued. Maybe something, but I thought ukuthi like today is not him. And if it's said to you, maybe no coach can attest that. I said let's put on CBC because Mbokazi is not fine. That's what I saw. I think like it was not his best game.
And then Sibilibili today, what do you think of Sibilibili?
Usibilibili I think uthathele le performance yakhe ya during the week le midlalo nePulukwane to this game. He didn't notice ukuthi it's different events. You understand? It was a league. As much as there is pressure, there was no too much pressure. This one was a different approach. And my opponent Medlala now, they are frustrating. They are provoking us. He was supposed to gear like Kaize Pezulu, but the gear remained the same compared to that game. Yes, it didn't have a bad game. That's what I will say. But like McMillan Yusikia, the way the work rates, the way he tries against this into, I think there was that effort in the showtime. But yeah, it's one of those now.
And then we saw introduction Agambuthuma in the second half before we even go to the penalty. Overall performance again, because you could see Uti defense, they were not relaxed anymore. You could see Uti, someone is there and someone is shoveling them, someone is trying to try something. What did you think of the performance Agambuthuma?
Firstly, I do not want to speak about the penalties. I didn't see it. Mengihleli phambi kwakho mengibhekele angazi nokuthi umise kanjani. You understand? I don't care about penalties. Like first thing first, what I will say, the team played so well in Ntanga. From 3-0 to 3-3, no one can do that. And sonke mesesitshe ukuthi game iphelile. And what gave us leyo nto leyo ithemba uMbuthuma. I'll be lying if I'm saying it's not him. Because Mbuthuma was there fighting. He even scored a goal. Mbuthuma is having 3 goals ku CAF now uyangithola and he played so well Ntanga maybe udlale 30 minutes umchita kodwa you see Ntanga that guy fights, that guy is hungry, that guy wants to play. Kusazoba inkinga lapha ku striking force, akusazoba i problem.
Last question in Tanga. We're going to the Tuesday game. Sala Nemakesi. Do you think coach must go with Mbutuma, or would you introduce Skomot?
Okay, cela ukuqala la entanga mina man of the match yami ngiyeza
Oh, man.
bayakhuluma ntanga mina man of the match yami uTito. Yes, our police did the things, but like Miss Puma people, like someone who fresh ball emuva asimakele asiyele naphambili futhi ntanga, like there is no one like Tito for me. Yes, apolice udlalile kakhulu ngocreate spaces, but like amabhola apha you must check mewaphuma kuTito makungena uShenko uTito mekaphasa uShenko uTito mekaphasa uSibilibili and Dibitso, then ibhola lize lifike
Was running the show.
he was running the show. Tito was the main man, Tanga. As much as police akorile, but mina my man of the match is Tito. To answer back your question, Tanga, mina I'll start with Mbutuma. Mbutuma Tanga is hungry, and like let's do due diligence. If someone deserves to play, let that person play. Mele balo boskomota, mele balo nabo mabasa for them to get the chance to go badlan.
And then we saw Unto namhlanje. Last question. We saw who's the Udaiding. No, not Chinko man. At the top down. Mbata, yeah. We saw Mbata. He wasn't even on the lineup. What do you think happened for such a big game?
I'm a talent our fan. I asked you for to go down, but he's not here. And then you said no, he's not. I get go line up. I think that I wouldn't know what's happening. You understand? I would expect him to be there, but I think coach you understand. I mean, I'll expect him to be there, but asas behind the scene. You understand? That's how I can answer the question.
In today's game, I think it was the game for Mbata. Yeah, Pade Antanga. Bopa.